Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to get the default always on display back on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Let's begin. As you can see, my current always on display is looking like this, and I'm a very serious man. I cannot have something like this on my always on display. So in order to change it back to default one, first we want to navigate into our settings, scroll a little bit until you'll see themes. Here you want to click menu and my stuff, and here you have all wallpapers, themes, icons and AODs you have downloaded in the past. So now we simply click default, we click OK, and as you can see, our default always on display has been successfully restored. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.